Hi, so today we're going to create a makeup look just in 20 minutes. So I'm going to start off with my Stay Naked foundation by Urban Decay. This is a great alternative to the Pat McGrath foundation. It has a beautiful sheen finish, which I love, and I'm just applying it with a tapered brush. Um, a dual fiber brush. I also moisturized my face right when I got out of the shower, which is something that I've been doing since I got pregnant. So I'm just applying a thin layer all over the face. Then I go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. I usually have two shades that I go between. One is the medium, which is I'm using here, and the other one is Sand Tan, which is for, when I'm just a little bit more tanner or if I want a more dramatic finish. So as you can see, I just apply a little bit underneath my eyes. I'm not making any kind of triangular shapes or anything like that. I just want brightness under my eyes and a little bit definition down the bridge of my nose. So I'm just applying it with the same brush. Then I go in with my Hoola bronzer. I'm using a fluffy brush to apply this product in like right under my cheekbones, and I'm moving the product upwards so that it has a softer transition. And then I'm going to get more product and I'm going to apply it in my jaw area, and then I'm going to take a little bit more product and apply it on my forehead. This is just to give the entire look of like a more cohesive look. And I take the brush with whatever product's left over and I just use it or apply it on the sides of my nose and just on the bottom. Then I take the first primer that comes to me and I use a fluffy brush and I apply the primer all over my lid as well as underneath, because I'm going to be applying eyeshadow down there as well. Then I'm going to take my Born to Run Urban Decay palette. I'm going to be using the colors Smog, Guilt Trip, and Blaze. I'm going to actually go in with Riff first, and I'm going to apply this color in my crease. I always like to go with some kind of warm brown color whenever doing my eyeshadow, just because I feel like it helps with creating depth for my eye shape. Then with that same brush, I go into Smog and I apply that all over the lid. Then I'm going to take a little bit of Blaze with a smaller brush and I apply that just in the center. This is going to give my eyeshadow or like my eyes like a more rounded look. And I just feel like that the shininess in the middle just looks really attractive, especially when you're trying to do a very clean, effortless look like this. My choice of color today is purple, so I went in with a purple soft eyeliner. So I applied that on my waterline and I used it just a little bit below because I wanted that purple to like pop. Then I take a flat brush and I go into Guilt Trip and I use the flat brush to now set that purple color. And because the eyeshadow is just a little bit lighter than the eyeliner, I'm applying it a little bit below so it looks like it's going from a light purple to a dark purple shade. Then I go with my favorite eyeliner. It's the Epic Eyeliner by NYX, and I just use that to create a very clean, thin line. This is where my lashes are going to be placed, but I just kind of like to apply eyeliner before I apply lashes, just because when I have gold tones like this, I don't want the lashes to be placed incorrectly and then you see the gold in my eyelashes. I'll show you in another video what I'm talking about, but it's really easy with this eyeliner, so I just applied it real quickly. Then I skip over to my brows because I want my eyeliner and everything to set. I use the 3D brow tint to brush out and expose any fine hair that I have in my brows. Then I go in with the Precisely Me brow pencil, which is my favorite brow pencil right now, and I just fill in wherever I feel are, there's some gaps, and just to define my brow and like groom it a little bit. And then we're just gonna apply lashes. I like to apply my lashes with tweezers. I first attach them in the center, and then I go to either the right and the left and secure those ends. And then I'll use my fingers to kind of like fuse both my lashes and the wispy lashes together. And then I like to take my finger and press my eyelid downwards to kind of make it look very clean and kind of almost invisible. I don't know if that makes sense. Over here you're going to see me do it again. I applied the lash, made it stick in the middle, and now I'm just sticking both sides of it, and then I'm just going to fuse that together to make sure that they're perfectly in place. And then I'm just going to pull my lid down. Then I go with the Anastasia blush trios. These are my go-to favorite blushes. And so I just take an angled brush and I basically swipe it across all three colors, and then I just apply it on my face. I'm not doing it in any particular order, just applying it on the apples of my cheeks and letting it blend into the contour color. This is Poise by Kylie Cosmetics. This color is really fun for me to wear because when I apply it, it looks like this really soft pink shade, and then after a while it brightens up. And now lashes are on, everything is dry, I go in with my eyeliner again and I give myself a proper eyeliner with wings. And there you go. That was it. The whole video was truly 20 minutes, and that was with me stopping in the middle and grabbing a couple of products that I didn't have, but it honestly took me about 20 minutes to do, even with the stops. And yeah, that's about it. My next video is going to be really interesting. I can't wait to show that one to you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to DM or leave me a comment.